Hello everybody! So today we're going to be unboxing the Fractal Design Arc computer case. This is one of their newest cases. It looks very sleek and it apparently has a lot of space inside while remaining a mid-tower. So we're going to take a look at this now. I can't get the Scotch tape. Okay, so I killed the box. Okay. Now let's bring this down. Alright, so like I was saying in my Antec P280 unboxing, Antec uses soft styrofoam that is kind of reusable. This is like hard one, and it's kind of squeaks, and like when you take it out there's a bunch of it everywhere, then there's static everywhere. It's horrible. But I guess you only have to do it once, so it's not a big problem. Again, I have clearance issues on my roof here because I'm in a basement, which this allows me to do proper unboxings. Okay, so now we have the case out. Ow! See, I already got a static shock. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick out the back first. Now I can put the case on his feet. It's a very small case actually, if you compare it to, that's not his feet. His feet are here. Alright. Start again. Ta-da! Alright, so that looks a lot better. So it's an extremely small case, yet it's supposed to fit a lot of things. Okay, so the first thing you can see with this case is it only has two slots over here. Okay, so as I was saying, this has only two front panels. One I guess for a fan controller and one for a DVD drive or Blu-ray or whatever you use. Simple mesh here, nothing over here. If you look at the back, beautiful white fans, white brackets, super small holes. I don't know what kind of water cooling they think we can put in here. Power supply on the bottom, another slot for I guess the fan controller that comes with this. Cables are sleeved, which is great. On top you can see that it's all mesh. It's really cool. On the side you can accommodate gigantic fans. My guess would be 140mm or 230 or something like this. So let's take a quick look inside. If we start unscrewing that, we're gonna get to the inside of the case. Oh, looks like there's a big dust filter, which is great because dust not only gets under the power supply but under many other things. And it's interesting how they made it. If you see it here, it's not straight, it's like kind of like going on the side, so you can kind of start like this or like move it around a little bit on the bottom and it still fits in, and then you just push it in. Awesome job, guys. Alright, not too heavy, good, but there's no padding whatsoever. Alright, so inside of the case we can see that there's a big fan on the top, big fan at the back, and standard layout. USB 3 actually has the internal connector, even though there's only one USB 3 connector on the top. Over here, along with two USB 2.0, reset power, headphone music, whatever. Now these are very bad. They're very hard to take out, actually. Yeah, just horrible. But on the other hand, you can unscrew this part and have better airflow, which is probably what I'm gonna do because I only need 2 hard drive slots, so I'm just gonna take these 2 at the bottom. This is also gonna be stuck. That's my guess. Why is it so complicated? Am I doing something wrong or something? Oh, yes. If you take a look at the side, there are actually thumb screws for every single one of them. They're still hard to remove, but at least if you remove the thumb screw, it's going to help a little bit. So this kind of secures the drive in place and helps them not just go berserk or something. Oh, look at that. Great. Now here we have a bunch of stuff. I'm really curious to see what they included with this case because it's written over here. So there's a fan controller, side rail wrench. There's a hard drive side rail wrench. Let's see what that is. It's very interesting. It's very intriguing as well. So all the screws, little box. I'll be honest. Since I had a case labs, which had just a big bag with a bunch of small bags inside with like everything in them. Any other case that I'm seeing right now is so with like just, you know, one bag and they just toss that in there. Let's see. Cable management, always great. Brushed plastic for 3.5 inches bay. Fan controller, really useful. Oh, this one actually has a very long pin, so you can actually put it here and actually control it, because the other cases actually had it as tall as this, as the 9th slot or 8th slot, I don't remember. I think it's 9th slot, yes. And you could have like it was very complicated for no reason. And where's the hard drive wrench? Ah, here you go. Very weird. Very weird. Standard Phillips, basically, with hex at the end. Does it? Oh, and it fits a standard hex drive, so you can actually go. Good job. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this case. So I'm gonna be putting the P9X79 Pro motherboard along with a Corsair CX500 in this case. And this is going to be kind of the budget build of the other budget build that we've made with the X79 system. So I'm going to do that. I'll take some photos and they're going to be all available online. See you later.